Greetings, Salesforce enthusiasts! Welcome to another episode of Admin Insights by Careerya, where we're diving into the world of Salesforce administration. I'm your host, Careerya, and today, we have a special crash course lined up, 25 very basic level interview questions and, of course, their answers. Get ready to boost your interview readiness with real-time examples. Podcast Episode 37, Salesforce Admin Interview Crash Course, Master the Basics. Next, let's kick off with the first question. Question 1. What is Salesforce and what role does a Salesforce Administrator play? Answer 1. Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management (CRM) platform. A Salesforce Administrator configures and maintains the platform to meet the organization's needs, customizing features, managing users, and ensuring smooth operations. Real-time example. For instance, think of a Salesforce Administrator as the architect who designs and builds the organization's CRM house. Next, question 2 is a classic one. Question 2. What is a profile in Salesforce? Answer 2. A profile in Salesforce is a collection of settings and permissions that define what users can do within the platform. It controls access to objects, fields, and various functions. Real-time example. Imagine a profile as a set of keys. Just like you have different keys for your home, car, and office, a profile gives users the keys to certain areas and functions within Salesforce. Next, moving on to question 3. Question 3. What is the difference between a role and a profile in Salesforce? Answer 3. While both control access, a profile defines what a user can do, and a role defines what data a user can access. Profiles manage permissions, and roles manage data visibility. Real-time example. Think of it like this. Profiles are like the type of job someone has, sales, marketing, and roles are like the department or team they belong to. Next, question 4 delves into customization. Question 4. What is a custom object in Salesforce? Answer 4. A custom object is a user-defined Salesforce object that allows you to create a custom data structure for specific business needs. Real-time example. Imagine you're collecting information about conferences attended by your team. You could create a custom object named Conference to store details like date, location, and attendees. Next, let's explore data management in question 5. Question 5. What is the purpose of the data loader in Salesforce? Answer 5. The data loader is a tool provided by Salesforce for bulk importing, exporting, and deleting data. Real-time example. If you have a spreadsheet with a list of new leads, you can use Data Loader to quickly import them into Salesforce without manual data entry. Next, question 6 takes us into user management. Question 6. How can you restrict users from viewing certain fields in Salesforce? Answer 6. Field-level security allows administrators to restrict access to certain fields on objects for particular profiles. Real-time example. Suppose you have a sensitive field like salary that should only be visible to the HR department. Field-level security ensures that only authorized users can see or edit this field. Next, question 7 explores automation. Question 7. What is workflow in Salesforce? Answer 7. Workflow in Salesforce is an automated process used to implement standard internal procedures to save time across the organization. Real-time example. Let's say a new lead is created. You can set up a workflow to automatically assign it to the appropriate sales rep based on criteria like location or industry. Next, moving on to question 8. Question 8. What is the purpose of validation rules in Salesforce? Answer 8. Validation rules ensure that data entered into records meets certain criteria before the record can be saved. Real-time example. Think of it as having an eagle-eyed assistant who double-checks every form you fill out, making sure you provided the required information. Next, question 9 brings us to reporting. Question 9. What is a report type in Salesforce? Answer 9. A report type defines which objects are available to report on and how they are related. Real-time example. Imagine you're creating a report to analyze the performance of your sales team. The report type would specify which objects, like opportunities and users, are included in the report. Next, question 10 is about user collaboration. Question 10. What is Chatter in Salesforce? Answer 10. Chatter is Salesforce's collaboration tool that allows users to work together, share information, and collaborate on projects in real time. Real-time example. Think of Chatter as the social hub within Salesforce where teams can post updates, share documents, and discuss projects, creating a collaborative environment. Next, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Careerya for more admin insights.